This one, I'm guessing you've seen it. I assume that you've seen it. The Time Capsule Burger King. This was trending. No, you didn't see it?
Was it yesterday?
I think it was trending yesterday, day before, maybe. But
I did not see. No.
The entire world was talking about it, including Drake and the Backstreet Boys.
Okay.
On stage, they're like, before we get into "I Want It That Way," let's talk about the Time Capsule Burger King. Apparently, inside of a mall, I think it's in Delaware. Somebody opened a door. Door was left open. Door was left open, and somebody looked behind that door, and what they found was a perfectly preserved Burger King from 2009, which had a decor which was probably 9 years older than that. So basically, what you got was like a year 2000. Maybe even earlier, preserved decor. I mean, I'm talking about the soda vent machines. Look at the wallpaper in there. You see the neon beverages light up sign there in front of the mirror. And the cabinetry. They believe that it opened in 1987, actually. Okay, so it might be original decor from 1987.
Oh, my goodness.
And I know you love this image right here.
Oh, yeah.
And look at the floor. You remember this flooring over here.
Yeah.
Which was, I don't know, is it meant to look like brick or parquet wood flooring, but it's tile. It was such a weird, those tones as well. You have that kind of teal and then that, what would you even call that purple? It's like plum or something.
Lavender? Like a light lavender?
That's being too kind.
Okay.
It's being way too kind. And of course, you got the drop ceiling. With definitely not enough lighting. What's weird is the whole story. So somebody posted the clip on social media and it blew up. This is in Concord Mall. And they believe it to be the oldest still intact Burger King. Because, they go and get renovated, these things. Mm-hmm. So a tour was uploaded on social media. Went viral on Twitter, Reddit, and so forth. And apparently, the reason that the door was left open is because somebody would go in there to water the plants.
Huh?
What?
There's no light in here.
Hang on a second. Let me just make sure I'm right on this. Where did I read that? It's a 5,000 square foot. It kind of feels like it closed yesterday when you look in the trash here. They didn't empty the trash on the last day. As well as decade-old garbage, a branded bag containing French fries, which looked suspiciously edible when you peeked inside. Booths, banquet seating, drink stations in the kitchen area, all still in place. A beautiful relic of the American past. Yeah. Did I make that part up?
Well, there's plants in here.
Yeah, no, I know, but are those real plants?
I don't think they're real, right? They're indoors.
It is actually still being used by a morning cleaning crew. They run a hose through the vacancy and water plants throughout the mall. Oh, okay. It's a vacant spot in the mall that is no longer anything, but they use it as a way to get a hose from one side to the other. Just a place to run a hose through to water plants that are in the actual existing mall that's still operational.
I see.
There you go. Not watering those. Those, yeah, they'd be dead. Those fake plants at the front there that you're pointing at.
Do we get a shot of the burger?
I don't think so. No.
It looks edible. I want to
Those chairs, and I mean, it's got all the pieces that you would want. That's why I figured you would have seen it, Will. But anyway, don't worry. I'll find these things for you so you never miss out on abandoned, mysterious, and hidden
liminal spaces.
Burger King.
Yeah.